In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your GoDaddy website HTTPS in just 5 minutes. Securing your website with HTTPS not only protects your and your visitors' data, but also boosts your website's SEO and credibility. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to sign into your GoDaddy account. To do this, you'll see a sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the GoDaddy homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Once you're there, you're going to type in your username and password. Make sure you enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. After you've inputted your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your GoDaddy account dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the DNS settings of your domain. You might be wondering, how do I find that? It's simple. Look for the My Products section or search for your domain in the search bar and then click on it. When your domain settings page opens, you'll find a tab or a link labeled DNS or Manage DNS. This is where you want to be. After you've clicked on the DNS or Manage DNS button, you'll find yourself in the DNS management section of your domain. In here you will see all the current DNS records associated with your domain. To proceed with making your website HTTPS, you need to add a new record. So look for a button or link that says add record or something similar and click on it. Now for the critical part, adding your HTTPS record. When you click to add a new record, you'll be presented with several options to choose from in a type drop down menu. You're going to look for and select HTTPS from this list. Selecting HTTPS specifies the type of record you're adding is related to securing your website with an SSL certificate. Next up, you'll need to specify the details of your HTTPS record. This typically involves entering a name and value for your record. The name field usually denotes the subdomain you're securing. For example, if you're securing www.yourdomain.com. If you're securing the entire domain, you might need to enter @ or leave it blank depending on GoDaddy's interface. For the value field, this is where you'll enter the target of your HTTPS record, typically provided by your SSL provider, or might involve selecting from predetermined options given by GoDaddy. After you've filled in the necessary fields, there's one last step before saving your new DNS record, setting the TTL or time to live. TL determines how long servers and browsers cache your DNS information. You might see options like 1 hour, 12 hours, etc. If you're unsure, selecting a default or 1 hour is a safe bet as it allows for quicker updates to propagate across the internet in case of changes. Finally, once you've chosen your TTL, all that's left is to save your new HTTPS DNS record. Look for the Save button, which might be at the bottom or top of your screen, and click on it. Congratulations, you've successfully added an HTTPS record to your GoDaddy domain. It's important to note that after adding your HTTPS record, it might take some time for changes to propagate across the internet. This could be anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, so don't worry if you don't see the changes immediately. During this time, it's a good idea to check your website periodically to see when the HTTPS starts working. And that's all there is to it. You've now taken a significant step towards making your website more secure and trustworthy to visitors. Remember, having HTTPS not only protects user data, but can also improve your website's search ranking, a win-win scenario. I hope this guide was helpful in securing your GoDaddy website with HTTPS. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips.